And now it's time for me to show you the kit that I have waiting for you at the library. So, this week's kit is a bracelet that you can make, and it has beads on it, but not just any beads. These are fun beads, and there are 10 of them so that you can practice your counting with them. So I can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 beads. Or I could keep going around and around and around, always forgetting to stop. Or I can take it apart and take the beads off and play with them individually. Parents, you're going to want to supervise your kids if they do that. But make it together. Have fun. So in the kit waiting for you at the library, there's going to be a bag with 1 pipe cleaner and 10 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then you get to put it together and make it as big or as small as you want, or play with the beads, count the beads, see how many beads are one color or another color. Mess around with it. Have fun.